Hello everyone, my name is Syabilla Azzahra with students number 2321222051 and my partners are Rosliani Sri Utami J with students number 2321222026, Inge Gustiarni with students number 2321222028 and Meisza Rizqita Azzahra with students number 2321222023. And today we will discuss about analyzing the representation of WHO in Indonesia media using Van Dijk approach. The research examines how the World Health Organization's authority is portrayed in Indonesian online media during the COVID-19 pandemic, using Van Dijk approach to analyze 5 news reports from Indonesian media outlets. The main idea of the article is that Indonesian media strongly reinforce the WHO's authority. While this helps spread reliable information, it also raises concerns about possible bias and influence, such as promoting certain policies or vaccine brands. Now, let's move on to the main discussion. The first one is macro structure. The macro structure of the article highlights how Indonesian online media positioned the WHO as the dominant authority during the COVID-19 pandemic. News outlets portray the WHO as the leading global health authority, shaping public perception of the pandemic response. This dominance suggests that media relied heavily on WHO statements, potentially overlooking local perspectives or alternative viewpoints. This could make the news feel one-sided, as it mostly focused on what WHO said without considering other possible viewpoints. The overall message emphasizes the importance of critically analyzing media narratives, especially during global crisis. And next.
And the second one is superstructure. The article follows a clear academic structure, starting with the title and author information, continued by abstract that provides a brief overview of the study. And the introduction discusses the theories on hegemony and authority in media discourse. In the method section, the authors describe their approach, analyzing 5 Indonesian news reports using Van Dijk's critical discourse analysis framework. The finding and discussion highlight how media reinforce the WHO's authority through linguistic structures at both micro and micro levels. Finally, the conclusion summarizes the dominance of the WHO in shaping public perception through news discourse, followed by a list of sources. This structured organization helps readers follow the research process and understand its implication effectively. Next.
The third one is microstructure. There are several terms used in articles such as WHO Panel Advisory, Global Leader, and Authoritative Source. Its significance, the frequent use of those terms or direct quotes from WHO officially strengthen the perception of the issues. Additionally, the study also identifies frequent use of keywords or phrases in the news coverage, such as WHO guidelines, WHO recommendation, and WHO standards. Its significance, of course, the terms reveal that Indonesian online media enforced WHO's authority during COVID-19 as world policymakers in the health sector by relying heavily on the WHO as a primary source of credible information. These elements are typically analyzed to uncover how language structures can influence reader perceptions of authority, urgency, and compliance in health-related news coverage. And next.
All right, it is time for me to sum up all of the material. The study shows that Van Dijk's approach is effective in uncovering how language shapes power dynamics in media discourse, showing the dominance of World Health Organizations in their COVID-19 news coverage. The study presenting how World Health Organization becomes the main theme of the news coverage, supported by its chosen language that reinforces its authority and legitimacy, and its dominance influencing public perception of health policies. These findings lead to the interpretation on why Indonesian media reinforced World Health Organization's authority during COVID-19. That's all from our group. Thank you.